Welcome. I am Ayhan Yavuz, and this is my channel. Is your life working out for you? Before we begin this journey together, please ensure that you are in a safe and quiet environment. Do not listen to this recording while you are driving, operating heavy machinery, or performing any task that requires your full and alert attention. This session is specifically designed to induce a state of deep relaxation and an altered state of consciousness. Please find a comfortable space where you can remain completely undisturbed for the duration of this practice. Now, let us begin. Find a position that feels natural and supportive to you. You may sit in a comfortable chair or lie down on a soft surface. Close your eyes gently and let the world outside start to fade away. I'm here to guide you through a process of letting go. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Feeling the cool air fill your lungs. Feel your chest and your abdomen expand fully. Hold that breath for a small, still moment. And now, exhale slowly through your mouth, letting out a long, soft sigh. As you breathe, I want you to realize that there is nowhere else you need to be right now. You have given yourself permission to be still and to be present. I am going to ask you to focus on the natural rhythm of your breath. Do not try to change it yet. Simply observe the way your body knows exactly how to support you. We will now bring a wave of relaxation to the entire body. Bring your attention down to your feet. Notice any tension you are holding in your toes or your arches. As you exhale, imagine that tension melting away, flowing out of your body and into the floor beneath you. Move that awareness up through your ankles, your calves, and your knees. Feel the large muscles of your thighs begin to loosen and relax. If your muscles feel tight, simply invite them to go soft. You are becoming heavier and more relaxed with every second that passes. Now, focus on your hands and your arms. Soften your fingers and let your palms rest open. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears, releasing the weight you carry throughout the day. We often carry a heavy burden on our shoulders, but right now you are choosing to release that weight completely. Bring your attention to your neck, your jaw, and your forehead. Release the tiny muscles around your eyes and let your tongue rest away from the roof of your mouth. Your entire body is now fully supported. You are safe. You are at peace. I want you to imagine that you are standing at the edge of a quiet, sun-drenched forest. The air is cool and crisp, and it smells of ancient pine, damp earth, and wildflowers. You begin to walk down a soft, mossy path that feels like a velvet carpet beneath your feet. With every step you take, you feel further away from your worries and more connected to the earth. The light filters through the canopy of leaves above, creating dancing patterns of gold on the ground. You reach a small, sturdy wooden bridge over a clear, bubbling stream. Stop here for a moment and lean against the railing. Look at the water moving gracefully over the smooth gray stones. I am inviting you to take any stressful thoughts or lingering concerns you have and imagine placing them into the flowing water. Watch as the current gently carries them away. See them moving further and further down the stream until they are completely out of sight. They are no longer yours to carry. The sun feels warm and healing on your skin. You are surrounded by the vibrant greens of the ferns and the soft, melodic songs of the birds in the distance. You feel a profound sense of clarity and inner strength. You are capable of handling whatever comes your way. But for this moment, you are simply existing in this perfect beauty. It is almost time to return to your day, but I want you to carry this deep stillness within your heart. Take another intentional breath in, feeling the fresh energy returning to your limbs. Gently begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, feeling the surface beneath you once again. Recognize that you can return to this forest of peace whenever you choose. When you are ready, you may slowly open your eyes and take in the room around you. You are refreshed. You are calm. You are ready to move forward with grace.